So, looks like the Slingshot is gone. It's over, it's gone. I don't know what's going on. But this is where the Slingshot was, and it's no more. The Slingshot is no more. I wonder what they're going to put in here. If you guys have any idea what they're going to put in here, or if you have any guesses, be sure to comment down below.
It's going to be the world's tallest rotating Taco Bell. And they're going to have nothing but tacos and burritos, chalupas. You might get some cinnamon twists and some nachos and cheese. Yeah!
I would say he ruined the video, but I think he made it better. Oh my gosh.
Hey, guess what I found?
Oh my gosh. Okay. Hilarious. Bye.